Video, and we are back, and it's the same day as the other video. And today we are going to see what the hell was that? Are you okay? Don't be mean to your dog. That's how big he is, and this is not for adoption. We're just making this video because he is cute. Come on, little buddy. Come on. Show us what you.
What did I say?
What? You're not making a video. Come on, let's get in. What? No.
Yeah. Go in the room.
But-
Papi, cuidado con el perro. Papi, así te vas a sacar.
And we're Spanish people.
Manuel, vete para allá.
Making a video.
Allá está mi hielera, allá afuera.
Huh?
You're going right here.
Why?
¿Dónde dejé mi lonchera?
No sé. Nah, nothing useful.
A ver, perro. A ver, perro.
What? Forget him? Just carry him. I'm using light. Okay, I don't need lights. Our tub, our bathroom, toilet paper. Okay, now we need light. And I'm gonna have this room. My sister, she already has her room. Right. Here's her room, her bed, all her stuff. We're not ready yet because we barely moved here. Her tablet that she kind of ripped. Shoes from Kiara, her new TV. She has Xbox 360. Her controller. There are two more, but those are for the Xbox Live. The only game that she has is GTA. This is my aunt's room. It's just that it's gonna be my room one day. Hi, dog. Oh my gosh, it's an evil dog! No! Oh my gosh, it's an evil dog! It's an evil dog! Look, come in. Go to Whiskera. Stay there.
No prendas las mismas, vas a gastar la batería.
Okay.
Once again, coming back, okay? A ver.
Come on. I'll tell you I'm wearing these. We are going to go outside. Oops. Oh God, the dog, so cute. And right here is perfect light. Oh God. We have this. And as you can see, our neighbors. I don't think you could see it. Let me get light. But could you see water? I hope you do, 'cause I see it. Peanut, why do you have to stay for yourself? You've committed a crime.
Look at the little thing that they gave me.
Oh, it's so cute. Wait,
Yes,
what is
dogs
this?
and kitties. It said, "Bip, BIP, pet care." Look at it right here. It's kitty and doggy,
Kitty and dog.
and he's a doggy.
Peanut, you've committed a crime. Being so cute, everybody gives you anything you want, which that's your life. Okay. So, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave the subscribe button. And I really think that you guys will love this video. Bye. Say bye, Kiara. Hey, Peanut, say bye. Bye. Wait. Oh well. Bye.